Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of ectopic pregnancy. What is ectopic pregnancy? From fertilization to delivery, pregnancy requires a number of steps in a woman's body. One of these steps is when a fertilized egg travels to the uterus to attach itself. In this case of an ectopic pregnancy, the fertilized egg does not attach to the uterus. Instead, it may attach to the fallopian tube, abdominal cavity, or cervix. What causes an ectopic pregnancy? The cause of an ectopic pregnancy is not always clear. In some cases, the following conditions have been linked with an ectopic pregnancy, like inflammation and scarring of fallopian tubes from a previous medical condition, infection, or surgery. Hormonal factors, genetic abnormalities, birth defects, medical conditions that affect the shapes and condition of the fallopian tubes and reproductive organs. Who are at the risk for an ectopic pregnancy? All sexually active women are at some risk for an ectopic pregnancy. The risk factors increases with any of the following, like maternal age of 35 years or older, history of pelvic surgery, abdominal surgery or multiple abortions, history of pelvic inflammatory diseases, history of endometriosis, conception occurred despite tubal ligation or IUD, conception aided by fertility drugs or procedures, smoking, history of ectopic pregnancy, history of sexually transmitted diseases such as gonorrhea or chlamydia. What are the symptoms of an ectopic pregnancy? Nausea and breast soreness are common symptoms in both ectopic and uterine pregnancies. The following symptoms are more common in an ectopic pregnancy and can indicate a medical emergency also, like sharp waves of pain in the abdomen, pelvis, shoulder or neck, severe pain that occurs on one side of the abdomen, light to heavy vaginal spotting or bleeding, dizziness or fainting, rectal pressure, etc. How we can diagnose an ectopic pregnancy? You have to note that the ectopic pregnancy can't be diagnosed from physical examination. However, your doctor may still perform one to rule out any other factors like transvaginal ultrasound, blood test to determine your levels of HCG and progesterone. How we can treat ectopic pregnancy? It is necessary to remove the embryo as soon as possible for the mother's immediate health and long-term fertility. Medications. One common medication for this is methotrexate or Rumatrex. Methotrexate does not carry the same risk of fallopian tube damage that comes with the surgery. You won't be able to get pregnant for several months after taking this medication, however. Surgery. Many surgeons suggest removing the embryo and repairing any internal damage through laparotomy. Home care. You have to note that you can expect some light vaginal bleeding and small blood clots after surgery. And this can occur up to 6 weeks after your procedure. You have to be careful that don't lift anything heavier than 10 pounds and drink plenty of fluid to prevent constipation. Pelvic rest, which means refraining from sexual intercourse, tampon use or douching. Rest as much as possible the first week post-surgery and then increase the activity in the next weeks as tolerated. Thank you. Have a nice day.